Welcome back guys, this is Rajesh Kannan from NextWave. Nice to meet yourself. In this video, I will share about the thoughts and insights which I have learned from the SMART framework. Are you still doing your work in hard work way? That's wrong. To convert the hard work way into SMART work framework, right? So first of all, we have to know about the SMART framework. A framework for setting clear and attainable goals, right? And the meaning of the SMART: S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, T for time bound. Let's see this with an example. The original goal is improving my Python coding skills, but in the SMART framework, what is the first meaning of the SMART framework? S specific. Students need to score 90% in Python coding exam. The second one is the measurable, by tracking your score in weekly and practice assignments. The third one is the achievable, by completing your actions like solving extra problems. The fourth one is an relevant to the students' academic success and personal development. Fifth one is the time bound, to completing assignments on time, right? I hope that the informations are very useful for you guys. To get more informations about technology, don't forget to subscribe my page. Thank you. All the best.